Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off with my dogs are up, so if you hear them, please excuse them. Today we're doing an unbagging of Yes, Oh Yes. Yes, Oh Yes is a very new company. It is $14.99 a month, plus you pay $3.99 for shipping. I pay $18.98 a month for this bag. You should receive 3 to 7 full-size beauty and makeup products. This is the card for this month. It says that this bag is total suggested MSRP is at $93. They do guarantee that every bag is at least $70. So let's get in here and see what we got. The first thing we got is a Kokie Cosmetics Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in 531 Forest Green, which is nice because I have green eyes. I do like green eyeliners and green palette eyeshadows. So I am very happy to receive that. That is what that color looks like. I know it looks black, but it is green. I know that this was a variety or a variation. I've seen purple and black, now green. The next thing we have is the Beauty Creations Emerald Eyeshadow Palette. I did know that this palette was going to be in there. This is what that palette looks like. It is a 15-pan palette. There are 5 shimmers and 10 mattes. We're going to swatch a couple of these. That's what they look like on the skin. And that is what they look like swatched. So the mattes can be built up. It is a very pretty palette. I'm very excited about the greens. Can't wait to play with that. The next thing we have is by Bang Beauty. This is a Bang Beauty lip crayon. And the color I got was Dangerous. Whoa, and boy is it ever. That is a very bright orangey color. I know it looks red. It is not. In the springtime, my lips and the flowers can get along great. The next thing we got were 3 brushes this month, which I'm always down for some brushes. These are by Inamo brand. We got the concealer brush, which I would use for a packing brush. They're very light. The ends have a little bit of weight to them, but the rest of it is very light. And they feel like the Fair brush that I got not long ago, and I'm wanting to say I got it in an Ipsy, but I could be wrong. I get a few beauty subscriptions a month. Then we got the crease brush. It is very soft. No frailing hairs, so that's nice. And then we got a angled brush for your eyebrows. It is very thin, as you can see, which is nice to get those precise hair strokes. And the last thing we got is by J-Cat Cosmetics. This is the Woolly Addiction eyeliner. And I got mine in brown. Pro Define eyeliner in brown. I'm having problems with my eyes right now. I'm getting ready to go and get them checked. I believe I'm at that age where I might need some help with that since I can't see nothing. And that is that eyeliner, which I'm totally okay with. I prefer to wear brown eyeliner rather than black. With this company, if you subscribe to them for a year, at the end of that year, they say that you are to receive a limited edition box that is worth $200 to $400. This is my second month with this company. I know that there were some problems with videos that influencers were doing that they had taken and put on their YouTube channel. I know that Abby, or Avidabs, had some of her videos on there. The last time I checked, that was taken care of and the videos were taken down. It's been a minute, so don't quote me on that. Also, if you use code YOY, you do get 10% off your first month's bag. So, that's what I got in my bag. Comment down below and let me know what you got in your bag. I have seen a couple of the videos. The only thing different is the color of your Kokie Cosmetics eyeliner pencil. Other than that, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe, hit that bell. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.